Greetings ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my channel, Gentleman Rated, the channel of style and substance with a sprinkle of satire, coming to you live from London, the capital city of classic menswear. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing or checking out my older content. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much and welcome back. In today's episode of Gentleman Rated, I'm going to be trying on and styling a Shantung tie from luxury British brand based on Jermyn Street, Benson and Clegg. Benson Clegg is a bespoke tailors and gentlemen's outfitters based at number 9 Piccadilly Arcade, Jermyn Street in London. Established in 1937, Benson Clegg have served the royal household for more than 80 years. They currently hold the royal warrant to the Prince of Wales for the supply of buttons, badges and military neckwear. In recent times, Benson Clegg were featured in the 2021 Bond film No Time to Die, in which they produced a tie slide that Daniel Craig famously wore, shown here. In addition to this, they supplied the dove grey braces made by Albert Thurston in this scene. Prior to this, Benson Clegg produced the famous Royal Navy rep tie worn by Roger Moore in the 1973 Bond film Live and Let Die. Today, Benson Clegg sell a wide range of different accessories and items, be they military or civilian, ceremonial or casual. Okay, so let's get into it. I've got a fancy Benson Clegg bag. It's got the royal warrant by appointment of HRH, the Prince of Wales, suppliers of buttons, badges and military neckwear. Yep, so it was established in 1937. So let's take a look at the tie. So once again, you've got the navy packaging with the gold emblazoned insignia. Let's put that in front of the camera so you can see it. Yep. It's got the plastic packaging. Again with the I'm not sure if you can see it. So, as you may or may not know, the Shantung tie is known specifically for its irregular texture. I think this goes brilliantly with the informal and rugged texture of a denim shirt. The tie knot I'm wearing is a 4-in-hand. The thickness of the material is deceptively thicker and more rigid than previously thought. So what did I wear the tie with and how did I style it? So for my first look, I'm wearing a brown strap tie with a beige tan cotton suit from Hackett, London. The dark brown colour goes well with the dark blue cutaway denim shirt, whilst the beige stripes pair well with the jacket colour. For my second look, I replaced the beige cotton suit with a tobacco linen suit with dark brown buttons. For my third look, I replaced the denim shirt with an Oxford button down, went with a beige Prince of Wales check suit. For the fourth and final look, I unbuttoned the shirt collars and paired the tie with a brown sports coat and a white pocket square with brown edges. The tie was bought for £95. Quite expensive, although what you get for your money is a very unique colourway and a high quality product. What I loved most about the tie was the attention to detail. As mentioned earlier, Benson Clegg hold a royal warrant for military neckwear. This particular colourway is not associated with any particular regiment. However, if you pay close attention, the navy and beige colourway is synonymous with the Benson Clegg logo. The irregular texture of the Shantung tie only increases the compatibility with different textures and layers, meaning this tie can be potentially worn all year round. Join me next time where I'll be taking a look at some of the other items I managed to purchase from Benson Clegg. Until next time, thank you very much for watching and take care.